Coach, even though you started good the game, the first quarter was yours, but then Bashkimi started coming back. You got some good moments, they got some good moments, but details decided in the end. What decided tonight?
But decided the last 2-3 minutes, some offense, rebound, some shots they scored, we didn't, and that's it. We are sorry that because I believe that we controlled the game for the long time. Either they were coming back, they were coming back just because we were making some mistakes, not because they had some good time. But on the end, this is game of the mistakes. We had some shots that we should not shoot, some rebounds that we should not give it. That's like that. I hope that we will go next game to win over there.
Yeah, now it will be a home court, whole different thing at Mitrovica, and is the trophy coming there?
Yeah, you are coming over there. But now it's I always try to tell the players there is no 3-1. Every game it's always one step, So you don't have to think that you have a 3 step. They need to make 3 times. Yeah, it's true, but every game is one step. So I hope with our spectators that we will play much better, much more concentrate in some crucial part of the game.
Hey coach, good luck next game. See you. Atëherë ishim edhe me trajnerin Adis Beqiragish, tha që detaljet vendosën në çastet e fundit, ato 2-3 minutat e fundit, pasi që gjatë gjithë ndeshjes ishte gjithçka e barabartë dhe edhe pse Bashkimi realisht po rikthehej, ekipi I tij po e kontrollonte ndeshjen dhe Bashkimi po rikthehej për shkak të lojës dhe gabimeve të tyre në topa të humbur, në disa kërcime dhe në disa asistime. Ndërsa e pyeta se apo vjen trofeu në palestrën juaj në Mitrovic, pra do të arrini ta ngritni atje, tha që unë ju kam thënë gjithë një lojtarëve, pavarësisht faktit që jemi 3-1, nuk ka në finale 3-1. S'ka lidhje që do t'jenë edhe 3 ndeshje në vazhdim, ju duhet të luani të jepni maksimumin në secilën ndeshje dhe po shpresoj, tha në fund, që të arrijmë të festojmë para tifozëve tanë. Kaq nga intervistat, nderuar shikues, linjën e kthej te kolegu Agon Femiu.